Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to quick and easily make captions bigger on YouTube. First, let's go into the app. Then let us select a random video. For instance, this video right here.
Trading is all about action.
Hold on, let the ad go through. Okay. And normally to turn on the caption, we'll press the CC at the top right there. Captions not available for that video. Let me see. This one right here. You can see the caption on this one. Alright then, and you see that's the regular caption size. To increase the caption size now, we would simply go into settings. Scroll down, then we're going to select general. Then select accessibility. Then you're going to scroll down until you see subtitles and captioning. And you're going to select that. Then you're going to select style. And from here you can choose a large text style. And it will be larger right there. Or if you want an even bigger style, you can go into create new style. And then you can choose the font size you like. Whether it be medium, large, extra large. And that's it. And then if you should go back into YouTube now, you can see that the captions are a lot bigger. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.